What's up, guys? Sensei322 back for the last 3 boxes of SP Threads 2009. I will try to get these done in a hurry. By the way, I looked up Vontae Davis. He is a cornerback for the Miami Dolphins, so one more hit for RW34, who I believe has the Dolphins and the Eagles. So that box, those last 2 boxes were pretty much just for RW34. We'll see if we can spread the wealth a little bit in these last 3 boxes. Also, the Travis Beckham that was for Wisconsin, number 2 out of 6. He is on the New York Giants. Forgot what. He's a tight end for the New York Giants. So that guy, number 2 out of 6 for the Giants, not bad. Here we go. Busting open. Box number 3. Box number 3, pack 1. Got an Aztec card here, I think. Future Watch Michael Hamlin. Brian Robisky for the Browns. Double jersey out of 299. Pack number 2. Decoy and an Ernie Sims die cut. Get that knife out of the way before I accidentally stab one of these cards. Here's a very thick card, probably our Letterman. There's a Calvin Johnson. From Rice, not James Casey, Jarrett Dillard. Number 10 out of 17. O Letterman auto. Jarrett Dillard out of Rice. And he goes to the Jacksonville Jaguars. Y'all probably already knew that. Took me a second to look it up. Kurt Warner, Romo, Rookie Future Watch, Richard Quinn for the Broncos. And yeah, you're going to be getting your rookie cards. You're just not going to be getting the base. And if you desperately want your base, just email me. You can have the stupid base. I'll just give them away. I don't bother with them. Barry Sanders. SP Superstars die cut. We're going to have the whole die cut set. Oh, whoa, that wasn't all in that pack. For the Redskins, a Laren Landry Stitch in Times autograph. All right, Laren Landry Stitch in Time auto. These Stitch in Time autos are very nice cards. Wish to heck that they were on card. I'm not too happy that so far everything Upper Deck has passed out this year has been sticker autographs or redemptions. Decoy. I got to look more closely through these base. I was about to put that one away. Assume it was all base. Bernard Berrian. He and AP both had very good games yesterday, beating the Packers in Lambeau. Brooks Foster, Rookie Watch for the Rams. Alright, so we've had 3 hits so far out of this box. Expecting 2 more. T.O., Drew Brees, Andre Johnson. 2 more hits out of 6 packs. So let's see if we beat the odds and get 1 extra hit. Rookie Future Watch, Andre Brown for the New York Giants. I got to do this faster than my last one. Rashard Mendenhall, SP Superstar die cut. This one feels thick. We still have not gotten 2 letters in 1 box, and still not going to change. Donald Driver die cut. And for the Lions, this is actually an interesting one. This is thicker than any of the letter cards I've seen. Detroit Lions tight end number 2 out of 50, Brandon Pettigrew. Doesn't look like a patch, but it is. It's a patch. It's the patches that are Event worn memorabilia. That's it does say it's a patch here underneath the acetate on the back. It's a little bit silly that they call them event worn. That's pretty sneaky, Upper Deck. Give me something that's game worn. Give me something that's got dirt on it. None of that event worn crap. For the Dolphins, rookie watch, Patrick Turner. I think we're still missing one base, or one hit out of 3 packs. It's going to be here. This is the one. Joey Porter, Vincent Jackson, Marion Barber die cut. And then this one, between the Cardinals and the Saints, Matt Leinart, Reggie Bush, dual threads. Talk about a letdown. Reggie Bush, need to pick it up a bit, bud. 2 packs left, probably just going to be base. There's a decoy. Yep. Last pack from this box. We still got 2 more boxes to go. Curtis Painter, rookie future watch. And that's the end of that box. Let me clean up a bit. Excuse me for 1 second. Alright. Next box. Here we go. Box 4 of 5. Pack number 1, box 4. Larry Johnson die cut. Josh Freeman, die cut rookie for the Buccaneers. Between the Bengals and the Seahawks, TJ Houshmandzadeh and Matt Hasselbeck. Houshmandzadeh, I don't know how to pronounce that one. You know, we have not gotten one nice patch. Every break I've seen online has gotten at least one nice. There's a rookie future watch, Darius Butler, for the Patriots. Has gotten one nice 3-4 color patch. We just had single colors in these boxes. Here's a die cut, Franco Harris, no auto. Rookie threads, D'Angelo Smith. Here is number 2 out of 8, Michael Oher from Ole Miss. Beautiful card, beautiful story. My battery is running dead. I might need to grab some new batteries and finish this video in a split second. So, Michael Oher, beautiful card from Ole Miss.